Hi everyone, it's Mike from Leighton, Buzzard, Cars and Coffee here. This is our December meet, our last meet of the year. Let's go and see what we've got in the yard. Starting outside the yard, we've got this beautiful looking Mark III Supra. It's the first time it's turned up, and to be fair, I don't know who owns it, so if you do know who it was, get them to give me a shout out because it's lovely. I've really enjoyed looking around it. I've got a real soft spot for these now, and I do think that I'm almost at the point where I'd consider a Mark III over a Mark IV. Now, I've got to quickly just mention this Lambo. My man Dunk won this in a competition, fair play to him. This is my friend He-Man's. I've spoken about it before, but every time it comes, I love this M3. It sounds fantastic, it looks fantastic. He-Man, you're a legend, mate, I love you. As you can see from the yard, mega busy, always a great turnout, but so lovely to see this close to the Christmas and such a cold morning as well. We were very much undecided as to whether we were going to do a December meet, but so glad we did. Loads of new cars, loads of new faces, but a load of regulars as well. Always lovely to see this close to the Christmas period. Now Mike knows that I absolutely love this car. It's his Skyline, and I would love to do an actual feature on this, maybe try my hand at just doing a little review on the car and giving people a bit more of an insight into the buying process and what Mike went through to get it in from Japan, what he's had done to it, and go from there. But it's a lovely car, lovely machine. Ross has got a couple of cars to choose from, but this is definitely one of the best he can bring. I love the Bel Air Nomad. I think it's such a cool car, and he's done such a great job at keeping that patina on the body as well. You wouldn't normally catch me looking at a new modern BMW, but these have definitely grown on me. This front end, that new grille, very controversial, but I'm really starting to like it, and those wheels look fantastic too. Tony with his Civic, again, there's a rumour that he's now running 600 brake. I love this motor, I love every time it comes down, and I know it's got some serious power, and it has been on a few videos on the internet now as well. Definitely find it, it is a wicked bit of kit. And I'm not sure, but I think I saw on Tony's Instagram a four-wheel drive system potentially coming for this car. I'm guessing maybe out of a CRV, but we'll have to find him and ask him next time we see him.
It's alright, but
so this red 911 Turbo belongs to a guy called Ollie, really nice sound guy, helps run the JDMK charity day, which was a big inspiration for me when I started doing my thing. It's a great looking car. Now this is Dave the trimmer, and I know my vocabulary isn't incredible, but this thing is spectacular. The interior is beyond beautiful. I love the fact that on the outside it's very OEM. On the inside it's a much better thing. It's like an OEM plus, but just done to such a high standard. This is what Dave does for a living, and what better way to advertise it than with your own car. I mean, look at the dash, the Suede Alcantara just looks incredible. And when do you see one of these, you know, a black edition? I don't think I've ever seen one on the road. They're absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful car. thanks again to Brad. He always brings something very cool when he can. And the 959, I mean, you just casually turn up in a £1 million supercar and we just sort of stuck it in the corner and hid it out of the way. And that's not to say it's any less special than anything else that's turned up on the day, but we just get such an incredible variety of cars come down, but it's still an incredible car. I love them to pieces. Thanks, Brad.
This is phenomenal.
It's lush, isn't it? Their body shop, they do classic and custom cars. And then my man.
Beautiful car. Beautiful.
So his brother has got the Bel Air Nomad.
Oh, okay. They're very much a Yank fan.
This is awesome. This is Barry's GTI, and yeah, he asked me to move it out of the way, and I didn't realise that was the first ever right-hand drive GTI in the country, like first ever Mark 1 GTI ever made it to the country, and that was it. That was awesome. This little thing, beautiful. And I kept saying to the guy, I promised I'd take the pictures, and I ran out of time, but I managed to snap a couple. It's his first ever car, and it's so mint and it's so lovely. And again, he's just gone for that OEM plus look and just kept it looking really tidy.
Oh really? The scat guy bought one off me.
He's having another go at it. I'll see you later, man. Going home.
See you later, guys. Thanks for coming.
I finally got a chance to have a quick look around the TVR, one of my favourite cars. They look stunning, and I think a lot of people like me will remember it from Swordfish, especially those from people outside the UK. You know, cool car. Got a distinct feeling that Tony's got quite an aggressive clutch in this. I think maybe the bite is a little harsh when he's trying to pull away, but you be the judge.
Thanks again, mate. January 1st. See you, mate.
I've just got to give a shout out to my man Ollie. Thank you very much for helping with the photography and video. Hopefully I can persuade Ollie to help me out some more, and he'll keep doing it, and we can keep providing lots of cool content for people to watch, just in case you miss the show and don't get a chance to come down. I just want to say a quick shout out to everybody that's come over the past 12 months. Thank you so much for the support. Please look us up on Instagram, you know, usually Broken Cars, LB Cars and Coffee. Find us on the Facebook page where you'll get all the updates for the upcoming shows and things like that. And please subscribe, share, like, notifications and all that stuff. But from all the team, thanks again, and see you in 2023.